Purchasing a tow bar is a complex business, quite the contrary of doing your daily shopping. What should you even keep in mind? What are all the possibilities? And what is the best fit for your car and your situation? Brink is happy to help you with the basic knowledge required to decide. Without a doubt, the fixed tow bar is the most common tow bar. The fixed tow bar is always inside, making it permanently available and easily accessible when you want to use it. Nowadays, most cars can be equipped with the detachable tow bar. In most cases, the system is invisible. A detachable tow bar can be disconnected and placed in a storage bag in the boot of your car when not required. The retractable tow bar is the most luxurious tow bar system. This solution is invisible. It can be folded behind your bumper and locked in place there. In this stored position, there is nothing that indicates the presence of a tow bar under your car. With a simple hand movement, the tow bar is ready to use. It might be that your car is not allowed to tow a trailer, caravan, horse box or boat trailer. For these kinds of cars, there is a system available though. Brink developed the bike carrier tow bar. This system cannot and may not be used to tow, only carry. Towbar mounted bike carriers fit onto this carrier solution. With this knowledge, your search for the right tow bar can start. For using it on a weekly basis, a fixed tow bar is the best option. For less frequent use, a detachable or retractable tow bar suits better. Is the tow bar being invisible not an issue? Then a fixed tow bar is an option. Do you prefer an invisible solution? Choose a detachable or retractable tow bar. Brink offers you an appropriate wiring kit for the majority of vehicles with 7 and 13-pin sockets. A 7-pin socket is suitable for connecting bike carriers or trailers. A 13-pin socket is necessary if you want to tow a caravan with your car.